Hey guys, I am Jatin and today we're going to review Redmi 5A. Before start this video, if you haven't watched my video of unboxing this phone, then there is a link in the description. Now starting with the build quality of this phone, Xiaomi is using the polycarbonate body in this phone and all the plastic build seems cheap, but it's fair enough for the budget device, but it's durable and reliable too. You can freely enjoy the build on this phone. Now taking a look at the display of the Redmi 5A with a 5-inch HD display with the 296 ppi, and in outdoor condition it works fine, but it's very reflective panel, but it gets the job done. Color reproduction on this phone is surprisingly well and no complaints in the display. At the back we have speaker grill and at the bottom we have the micro USB with the microphone. On the top of the back we have the camera with LED flash. Talking about the camera, we have a 13 megapixel f2.2 sensor and the camera app is here typical Xiaomi camera app which we get in every Xiaomi device. Here are some sample of the back camera and there will be an HDR photo with no HDR 1:2 comparison. The color reproduction in sunlight is quite good and it capture details too, and couple of front camera samples are here, but it not comparable to other phone in this budget. It's get the job done. And couple of front samples are here. Now how this phone handle daily tasks like gaming, browsing with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 chipset? The answer will be a yes. You won't be disappointed by the performance in this phone. Browsing through the web is quite good and well responsive. There were no hiccups whatsoever and game can run easily too. But the light games, not the heavy ones like the PUBG, Mobile or Modern Combat. The Adreno 308 comes handy while playing games. On Antutu it scores around 43,000, which is quite well for the low spec device. Battery on this phone houses a 3000 mAh battery with the 5V 1A charger inside it. You can easily pass a day on this phone and the battery optimization is done pretty well. You can get around 5.5 to 6.5 hours of screen on time. The software here is MIUI, which is Xiaomi's own skin on the top of Android 7 Nougat, and we can't say the Oreo update for this device. In the end, this phone is quite well according to its budget. For 6,000 rupees, you are getting dual SIM and dedicated SD card support on this phone with an infrared blaster. It's a total bargain and I should say it's totally worth it. Please do hit the like button and press the subscribe button, and thanks for watching this video. I will catch you on next one.